Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to X199. In the last video, many of you said the comparison wasn't fair. That I should have gone against the real rival, the Detroit DD16, not the 15. So today, we are putting two giants head to head, the most powerful engine from Cummins and the Detroit. Let's find out which one really dominates the road. So subscribe and leave a like or dislike. Enjoy!
Two giants, one mission, to move the world forward mile after mile. You've heard their names, you've seen them roar across America's highways. But when raw strength meets real-world performance, which engine truly leads the pack? Two engines, one legacy to uphold. Let's begin. Cummins, a name etched into the backbone of American trucking. Founded in 1919, Cummins built its reputation on bulletproof diesel engines, powering everything from rigs to machinery across the world. The X15 Performance stands as their boldest statement, a no-compromise engine made for those who live by torque, pulling power, and throttle. Detroit Diesel, born in 1938 under General Motors, now a key part of Daimler Truck North America. Their goal? Seamless precision. The DD16 is Detroit's top-tier performer, engineered for maximum reliability, fuel efficiency, and drivetrain harmony, especially when paired with Freightliner and Western Star platforms. This isn't just a rivalry. It's a clash of philosophies, versatility and independence versus integration and precision, technical comparison, performance and feel. Let's dive into what truly matters: power, torque, and how they behave under pressure. The Cummins X15 Performance delivers 605 horsepower and 2,050 pound-feet of torque from a 14.9-liter inline-six, reaching peak power at 2,100 RPM. Meanwhile, the Detroit DD16 produces 600 horsepower and the same torque from a 15.6-liter inline-six, achieving peak torque earlier at just 8,100 RPM. Same torque, slightly different philosophies. And this single difference defines how each engine feels behind the wheel. With the X15, you get a longer torque band and more power towards the top end. Drivers say it pulls like a freight train once the boost kicks in, perfect for hilly terrain or long-haul climbs. It also offers greater tuning flexibility and works seamlessly with both manual and automatic transmissions. The DD16, on the other hand, delivers its strength early. Its advanced turbocharger system pushes air faster, bringing power right off the line. Paired with the Detroit DT12 transmission, the whole system feels smooth and intelligent. Fewer gear hunts, less fuel waste, more precision. So, that brings us to the first real question. Do you prefer the high revving punch of the Cummins or the early torque and effortless control of the Detroit? Road performance and fuel use. Most trucks equipped with these engines, fully loaded at 80,000 pounds, reach 60 miles per hour in roughly 45 to 60 seconds. That's strong by heavy-duty standards, but acceleration depends heavily on aerodynamics, weight, gearing, and terrain. Raw numbers can be misleading. Performance must always be judged within context. Now, fuel efficiency. Fleet reports indicate that the X15 averages around 6.7 to 6.8 miles per gallon, while the DD16 ranges from 6.5 to 6.6 miles per gallon, 6.7 miles per gallon. A small gap, but one that can translate to thousands of dollars per year across a 100-truck fleet. So the second question is top-end power worth it if efficiency is the long game? The X15 offers freedom to climb harder, customize deeper, and drive it your way. The DD16 delivers control over fuel, wear, and uptime. And that's where the real debate begins. Real-world applications. The X15 Performance powers trucks from Kenworth, Peterbilt, International, and even Western Star. It's ideal for owner-operators who want flexibility, easy service access, and strong aftermarket support. The DD16 is exclusive to Daimler brands, mainly Freightliner Cascadia and Western Star 49X. This tighter integration is often favored by fleet managers seeking consistency, simplified diagnostics, and coordinated drivetrains. So what's the real battlefield? Freedom versus precision, customization versus optimization. Real missions tested in the wild. The Detroit DD16 shines in heavy-duty sectors, mining, logging, construction. Its robust cooling and smart integration make it a favorite in extreme-duty operations. Meanwhile, the Cummins X15 remains a legend among long-haul drivers, especially those customizing sleeper cabs for coast-to-coast journeys. Fleet operators report over 1.2 million miles on DD16 blocks with minimal rebuilds, while many X15 units surpass 800,000 miles with little more than routine maintenance. Both engines have proven they're not just powerful, they're survivors. Reflection and final thoughts. So, which engine truly leads? If you're an independent driver, the X15 offers raw strength, tuning flexibility, and unmatched availability across brands. It's built for those who want their truck to match their personality. If you're managing a fleet, the DD16 is hard to beat. Its integration, predictability, and early torque delivery make it a cost-effective, no-surprises performer. But remember, some fleets run X15, some owner-operators swear by DD16. In the end, it's not just about specs, it's about your roads, your habits, your mission. So, which one would you choose? The king of power and freedom, or the master of control and precision? Because at the end of the day, one roars with power, the other commands with control, and both keep America moving forward.